In this tutorial I'll show you how to use the Find and Replace options in Microsoft Excel 2007. The Find and Replace options can be found by navigating to the Home tab and then to the Editing options, where you can see the Find and Select button. If you click that, you can click on Find to open up the Find and Replace dialog box. Enter the value that you are looking for. For example, in this case I will look for the value start. Click on Find Next. In Excel automatically highlights the first cell that it can find with a matching value. In this case the cell E9 is selected. If I will click Find Next, the next cell will be highlighted. You can also choose to Find All, where you get a list of all the matching results, and you can click on one of the results to make sure that the focus is set to that cell. There are also some options available when searching. For example, you can indicate whether you only want to look in the current sheet or in the workbook. You can search by rows or by columns. And you can look in formulas, values, and comments. You can also indicate if you only want to find case matches, and if you want to match the entire cell contents. There's also an option to indicate that you're looking for a particular format only. In this case, no format is set, but if you click on the drop down, you can either choose a format from a cell by selecting one of the cells in your worksheet, or you can choose to define a custom format and then, for example, specify that you only are looking for values that have an orange filling. Beware that it looks for a combination of both the format and the value. So if I would now click on Find All, it would return no results because there are no cells matching for the current value and the current format. You can clear the Find format by selecting this value from the drop-down. You can also look for strings of characters. For example, if you use an asterisk, you indicate that you're looking for one or multiple characters. So if I would type in S asterisk D and then Find All, it returns all three values that contain an S and a D with one or more characters in between the S and the D, as you can see here. If you're only looking for a single unknown character, you can use the question mark. And you can see that only one value is returned this time. The only value that has an S and a D with only one character in between. The replace function works quite similar. It uses the same find function, but it also offers you the possibility to replace the found values with a different value. So if I would look for the value start and I want to replace it with the value Q1, and I click on Find All, it would first return me all values that contain the value start, and you can choose to replace the selected value with the value Q1 by pressing Replace, or you can choose Replace All to replace all found values with the Replace With value. And you will get a warning message when the replace has been completed. And as you can see now, where previously start was mentioned, it now indicates Q1 because it has been replaced. So in this tutorial I've shown you how to use the Find and Replace options in Microsoft Excel 2007.